Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another Python tutorial. So in this video we will be seeing the difference between the class variables and the instance variables. So this video is going to be pretty short, so a little bit shorter than my regular videos. So yeah, with that being said, let's get the video started. Alright, so in the last class we saw the init method or the init function. So for the class variables and stuff, first we're gonna need to build a class. So let's call it enemy. And so basically I want all the object of this enemy to have an HP of 1000. So it does not really matter how many objects I have, all all the objects would have an HP equal to 1000. So this HP equal to 1000 is what we call as class variable, meaning that all the objects from this class would have this HP and the value of it would be same. Now an instance variable would be, let's say I have a function over here and let's call it name, and then with self, let's say I pass in this name argument, and then I print the name. So here this name, so every time I call this function for any object, I need to pass in this argument. In this case it is the name. Okay, so for all the objects, each object can have a different name, so this name would be an instance variable, because for each instance this name could vary. Okay, so a quick example would be this enemy1. Let's say it is an object of this enemy class, and then let's say we have an enemy2 of this enemy, and then enemy1 dot name, and here I need to pass in an argument. Let's pass in Hank, and for the enemy2 let's pass in Jacob. Now if I run, you can see that one prints Hank and the other prints Jacob. Okay, because we have different names for these two different objects. Now if you want to see this HP, let's make another function and let's call it show HP. And so what it's going to do, it's going to print the self.hp. Alright, enemy1 dot show HP, and then enemy2 dot show HP. Now if I run, you can see that Hank has 1000 HP and even Jacob has 1000 HP. But this HP 1000 is same for both of these, and this name or this Hank and Jacob are different. So it just means that class variables remain same for all the objects unless you make any changes in this class. Okay, and then the instance variable can be different for all the different objects. With that being said, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. So if you guys like the video, please drop a like, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure to go and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.